Hello students, how are you? By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. These levels are based on Aurora scale levels, support and resistance levels of Aurora scale. Now, the part 1 was being published a day before yesterday and part 2 was being published yesterday, and today I am publishing the part 3 where I am covering all the stocks which were being asked in the comment box. National Ammonium, Biocon, CDSL, Paytm, Zomato, Kalyan Jewelers, Laurus Lab, Reliance Industries, and have added silver MCX, gold MCX, and gold listed at COMEX. All these are being added, and one more, the BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange of India. These all stocks are being added in this part 3. Still, if you want me to add any another stock or the indices or commodities, feel free to write in the comment box. By the night, I will be trying to post the same as early as possible. Whenever I have been asked about the future dates, I try to answer near the perfection. Last time जो मैंने dates दी, that was 13th, 14th and 17th, 18th. अगर 13, 14 and 17, 18 को वर्ल्ड की टॉप मोस्ट indices commodities में देखा जाए तो you will find that 13 was the bottom and 17th was the top. That 1 week, all trading days, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, all 5 days, most of the indices moved in one direction. Let's hope 2025 की भी जो future dates हैं वो अच्छे ढंग से काम कर पाए और हमारे विजन में और अधिक, हमारे जो मैं कह रहा हूँ मेरे और आप सबके विजन में और क्लैरिटी क्रिएट कर सकें. विद दिस विश, लॉट्स ऑफ लव, ब्लेसिंग्स, हैप्पी ट्रेडिंग, हैप्पी इन्वेस्टिंग टू ऑल माय स्टूडेंट्स.